fabled Route 66. See in America. Back roads. We think this is Route 66. I envisioned there was more concrete. There's some horse poop on the side of the road. Wait a minute. We're definitely going, we're heading to Vegas right now. Oh shit! What the fuck is this road? Hold on, watch out for horses. I think you need to make a left back there. No, it's up here. You think so? You see that jump we hit? Route 66 is awesome. We can definitely find a sign out here. I don't think so. Now we're getting onto this railroad track. Shit, we gotta turn left right here. Is that what it says? Yeah, that's what it said. See? We're on Devil Dog Road right now. AKA Route 66, America's byway. That's a railroad track about 5 feet over there. I think we're on the wrong side of the railroad track. Nah, it's cool. I'll put my brights on. Amazingly, our arrival time into Las Vegas has gone down. Oh, yeah. Because of this awesome shortcut. Look at this fucking road we're on, dude. We're in the ocean right now. This is definitely it. This is it. We're probably going to see sick muscle cars coming this way. Dude, help. You just got to get up on plane. We're on a dirt bike right now. At least we're in a Subaru. I also want to remind everyone that the Devil Dog Road. Yeah, it's cool, dude. You got it. Devil Dog Road is on the GPS. Whoa! Jesus Christ! This is the purple highlighted route. Thank you, Garmin. I'm trying. Go, dude. Someone else drive. Give me the... Just watch out for bumps. Give me the back engine. Look, we're definitely getting close. I can tell by that canyon. Give me the back engine. I need it. What the hell are we on, This is the most badass road I've ever seen. Look over there. What is this? This is Devil Dog Road. Apparently. AKA Route 66. This is the way the Frontiers did it. Frontiers did it. Devil Dog Road is called the Ring. Is it? Yeah. Huh. He's handling great though. Probably built by hand from the Rio. We might have to swing by Sears and get our free alignment. Whoop. That would have blown out the struts if I didn't slow down. This road's badass. Huh? We're trying not to. Yeah, we can look how smooth it is. Pick her up. We're getting egged on by fucking Egon McGee over here. Egon McGee? That's your name, asshole. Look how smooth and nice it is. Yeah. Watch out, semi-trucks use this. I know. As a transport route. Yeah, we're getting close, Dustin, I think. Oh, for sure, yeah. You just have to follow this like another mile. That's a house? People live here, dude. What if you had to tell somebody directions to your house? For Christmas party or something? Hey, just hop on Devil Dog. Yeah, cool. No, I figure a bear or a bison's gonna run out in a second. Or a dirt bike's gonna come around the corner. I know. No, look at that. Straight shot, man. How's the road? I can't tell. There's a bump right here. Yes, there was, Dustin. Thank you. Somehow it doesn't say minimum speed 40 on this we're going 25, Steve. Wait, slow down. We might need to go to the right.
Whoa.
Yeah, back up and head up to the right.
I can't see anything.
Take your glasses off.
I still can't see. Stop.
Back up and come up here to the right.
Oh, now I can see.
Yeah. There was just a little 3-foot dip right there. Come further to the right.
Right, cool. I'm looking at the tracks of it.
Yeah.
The last guy who drove down this road.
Those look like dually tracks. To your right is Lake Crystal, Camp Crystal Lake. That's where Jason Voorhees made the movies.
I think you're roped into driving this bullshit.
I don't know, but we're right on schedule.
Oh yeah. Right.
Whoop, left.
It looks great through the sunglasses when I can see.
I'm glad we fixed the stickers on the car before we did this.
Alright, this looks like it's really hairy.
This? Follow the tracks.
Oh wait, you can't let you cross the tracks. You can't let go of it the same.
Look at the beautiful rock formations.
That's why they call it a shortcut, Dustin. If it was easy, it would just be
It's
the way.
like this from Chicago to LA. It's Route 66. You're probably going to see a Model T coming right for us in a second. With wood spoke wheels.
And solid tires.
Look how nice it is now.
Oh yeah, great. Why don't they back right into the sun?
I can see. Yeah.
What's behind us? Oh look, we got back to the highway right here. Great.
No, dude, this is just the beginning of Route 66.
Glad we swapped the Rally Michelin's on before we left Grand Canyon.
Yeah.
No, we're good.
Yeah, dude, we're cool. We got a pump and a spare. What you have to watch out for is rocks. Pointy rocks. Luckily we did inflate them to 45 PSI so they won't pop.
I just got a K-band. There's a cop out here.
Yeah, I think you picked that up from over there.
Old school Route 66. Alright, well, this is enough of Route 66 for my entire life. That's a big rock right there. Get out and kick that rock out of the way.
I'm barefoot.
Dude, kick that
Dude,
rock.
just go to the right of it a little bit.
No, I don't want it to get caught under the car
It
or
won't.
something.
Dude, our clearance is more than 4 inches. See, that was awesome. Which way do we go? Right here.
Left. Left on Devil Dog
So
Way.
we just hang a right.
Keep
Head
going?
for the hills.
No. Let's see if we get back on the highway. Where I was going 90.
Look, is that a cop?
You guys out here doing meth. Look, you guys are out there in your car? What are you doing? Dude, put the thing down and say, hey, is this Route 66?
Alright. Hey, excuse me. Is it, how far is Route 66? Are we on it? Not, this is Devil Dog, right?
Yeah.
How far to 66? Alrighty. Yeah, thank you.
You guys say ATVs? That's cool. I'm gonna go west, right?
Yep, west, right here. Make a right.
Is that what he said too?
No, not for 66. He said go back down that way to Williamstown.
Well, we're back. Wait.
No, that's the wrong way to go this way.
Although that was very fun, we're gonna go 90 on this road, so it'll be better.
Yeah, we're also going to cross over 66 later in California. So, who ripped ass?